Data Analysis by Python, Part 2.
So in this particular lecture, after having looked at EDA in the last lecture, we will take a look at how to clean and pre-process data to ensure accuracy and completeness. Because then only you can build, it's like foundation. So you need to have clean and accurate data, complete data, on which you can do the modeling. So how do you think you can clean and pre-process data? See, cleaning and pre-processing data, as you would understand, is a critical step in the data analysis or data science process because this ensures that the data is accurate, complete, and ready for further analysis. And as I was saying just a while back, it is the foundation on which you will build your data science models. So how can you do that? Let's take a look at the step-by-step guide on how to clean and pre-process data with a lot of examples of the code that you would need to write to do this process. So first thing you need to do is handle the missing data, in where you need to identify and assess the extent of missing data in your data set and decide on the appropriate strategy for handling missing values, such as imputation, implied computation, which means removal of rows and columns, or marking missing values. And this you can do by the kind of illustrative code that we have written for you here in Python. You can take a look at this code later on when you download the PDF file and understand this in a lot more detail. Second thing you need to do is to deal with duplicates. There will be duplicate data, and there you would need to do is to check and remove duplicate rows from the data sets. There may be rows that are duplicate, so you need to remove that. And again, you have a code in Python for removing duplicates in pandas. Also, you need to ensure that the variables have the correct data type. You need to convert variables into numerical, categorical, or date time type of data as needed. So there are different types of data like we illustrated here. And again, you can see the code that you can use to convert data type in pandas. Also, you need to handle the outliers, identify and address outlier data. We defined outliers in the last lecture, right? Using statistical methods or visualization. And you have there are two tools, for example, box plots or scatter plots. And this again you can use in Panda by using the z-score as an illustration here for handling outliers in Panda here. So there are many ways you can do that. Then you need to standardize and normalize numerical variables if needed, especially when you are using algorithms sensitive to the scale of variables. And that again, you see a illustrative code for you in Python in Pandas for standardizing and normalizing the data. Then you need to do feature scaling. So you need to apply feature scaling such as min-max scaling to bring numerical variables within a specific range. And you have a code again for illustrative code in Python and Pandas for you to do that. Cleaning text if applicable. If working with text data, clean and pre-process the text where you would need to remove the stop words, stemming, and handling special characters. And again, there is a illustrative code that you have that you can use to clean the text. Also handle categorical variables by encoding categorical variables using techniques like one-hot encoding or label encoding. And these are specific techniques that are available in Python for in pandas for doing that, and you see a illustrative code here written down for you to take a look at detail. Need to do the data integrity checks to ensure consistency and accuracy of data. And again, the wonderful Python helps you in doing the data integrity checks. Different kinds of integrity checks that you can do. Data imputation, as we were talking about, you need to do as applicable. If it is necessary, fill missing value using right methods like mean, medium, or machine learning based imputation, right? So that's what you can do. So having done all that pre-processing and cleaning, you need to now document the steps taken during the cleaning and pre-processing phase. Now this is essential for transparency and reproducibility. Once you document the data, everyone will know, you will know, your team will know what steps have been taken, and if necessary, it can be reproduced for the same project or for another project.
Thanks for watching video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more interesting upcoming videos. See you next time.